नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो स्टॉक टू फॉर बाय लॉन्ग टर्म्स फ्रॉम भारत एयरटेल टू बेल मोतीलाल ओसवाल एक्सपर्ट bullish on these five share do you own? Stock to buy for long terms. Discover the investment insight from Nandish, Shah of Motilal Oswal, who identified 5 promising stocks, including Bharti Airtel and Bharat Electronics, as key players for the long-term growth. Stock to buy for the long-term domestic market. Statement remains weak, largely due to relentless foreign capital outflow, geopolitical uncertainties, and mixed Q3 earnings. So far, equities benchmark Nifty 50 remain flat for the week ended Friday, January 16, staying in a range of 25,470 to 25,900. Experts expected the market to continue witnessing stock-specific action and the ongoing Q3 result session in the near term. However, they remain positive about the market prospect for the medium to long terms due to healthy macro environment policy support and the expectation of the further rate cuts by the RBL. Nandish, AVP to PGC Research and Advisory, Fundamental Wealth Management, Motilal Oswal Financial Service suggested the packing quality stock for the long terms. He is bullish on the following 5 stock. Take a look. Stock pick for the long terms. Bharti Airtel. Shah pointed out that Bharti Airtel continued to the demonstrated strong execution across its core business, reinforcing its leadership in premium mobility and the digital infrastructure management. Retired moderation in financial year 2026 capex and the highlighted healthy FCF's generation of 146 billion deposit higher net of investment. Key structural driver premiumization ARPCU gain, broadband expansion and the Nextra data center growth strength Bharati long-term cash flow visibility. We maintain a buy driven by the consistent operational outperformance, steady FCF generation and multi-year earning visibility from 5G rollout, broadband growth and digital infrastructure expansion. We model as CAGR of 15% and 18% in Bharati Airtel consolidated revenue and EBITDA over financial year 2025-2028 respectively, said Shah. Bharati Electronics continued to transform its leadership in the defense electronics space, supported by strong execution and the resilient order pipelines. In Q2 financial year 2026, the company reported a robust base across metrics. Revenue rose 26% YoY, EBITDA margin improved to 29.40% and PAT grew 16% YoY, driven by superior cost control and project execution.